ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Kamon ban long slur, ringkat bat kaman ba Shongkia, ka Shong ha ka Jinglong Scam, bat Jingeh bastard jongi. Ka Tata Harrier, ka Kali ka ban Sanya ka Lynti Ïaid jongpi, ka La ban long ka jongpi minta. Book ya ka Tata Harrier ha Frank Motors, lat korngi, leni phone ha number hinyo not sausan ar, not hinyo khandai hinyo lai.
Hadian ke Jingeh Lynti ye shibun ke Jingeh ban ay ke Jingnang Jing start ya ki khon ki ke Nongrim Byrnihat Presbyterian Secondary School de ke Jing Skau Sarong kelas dang ya ke Jing rakhe dap arpusan Snem jong ke Jingeh Lynti ye ke belas dang naru Snem ka khandai spa khandai popra ya ke ni ke Jing play pat ba jong ke Jing rakhe ye ke Silver Jubilee ha ka ba MLA ke Jirang constituency uba Sostenes Sotun ulalong kumukong san ha ke Jingdan lang ringkat bu uba Vincent Narliang Joint Director of School Education Ribohoi Uba Victor Rani local MDC ke Jirang constituency bak kong Batriti Pongrop kepada ke headmistress lembat Reverend PG Kongsdir nalor ki wepat. Hakani ke Jing play perda u joint director of school education Ribohoi la plat patba ya ke souvenir halo ke Jingeh Lynti jong ke school hadu bakan de kinjo sha Mawmer arpusan Snem. Habakaran ha ke Jingeh lang uba Sostenes Sotun ula ai ke Jingeh ro yakin nong seng bat kumju ru yakin nong hikai ki bla IT yala de met bat mensim na ke benta ban samlem ya ke Jingnang Jing star syaki kena jong ka than Byrnihat.
Bangun squad dah. Dah. Play.
That we are sitting here is donated by them to the Presbyterian school. Very grateful to them. Without them, we could not have seen this day. So thank you very much. The ex-hetman, ex-secretary of the Nongrim was very generous to donate this land to the school. And we are also very grateful to the pastors who were in charge before the school began, especially late Reverend S.R. Nongrim, who has taken great pain of bringing the school to this level. And the contribution, as we have seen in the magazine, I just go through that the Jingeh through Khao has also donated for the salary of the teaching staff. I wish that the batch of this year, I don't know how many of them will be appearing for HSLC examination, but I wish them all the best for their examination. Your performance will show the result and the hard work of the teaching staff.
Kami education noong di ngatrai mata nagaliang ia meli ikiba. Ka education department kalathung kalathau ia kata ke education commission. Ngasu mudur ha kerkom perhat juga akan hamba sendia. Kiladon kiru sempang kibadon ha ke education commission. Berkakam jengka kolong kamtam ban kentiu ya ke development ha ki level welfare nadu di sana di sulung terter. Namar kini ke education department misua ka ha Ministry of Human Resources Development. Teka semua ke dikeju. Ka ekonomi jong gari ke chong hang ni. Berki ke baru khoi ke jingkiu jinya jong gari ke chong hang ni. Jinon kanu education policy. NEP ar ko. Teleke kelabang sila dakaliang jongki hab groom ya gini kun jogi ha level jong ka new education policy. Omdai jon rus yang kelas 1. Nado balai Snem ulade beliapar benwan school. Wala da klaim per implement. Mereka bahag gini implement. Mo ai ko pinsang kata ka play school. Ai bikini ya kitpat ni kemen. Benso uniform na king pule we udak ro bele ai dewan. Namar kat labo kenang ya kan new education policy. Nado ke balai Snem sejurong. But kumta nang ta CLP UP bat kubjuk siapa secondary. Try kali ke school kita upgrade isi ketum ke new education policy jaga 11-12. Nomor omdon juga hayat sendiri ke new education policy. Lapoi 9, 10, 11, 12 kangap batch ha kasken dari school. Tena kaliang jong kinopniai ka superpat ba hinya page meniyai engkar ke new education policy.
Ikena pule baro Himdai ban aidau bangilai hak school ka baduna. Namar bala na pilai hak school ka bahatam le ka remtam ro ka mentoi la da himpule ka kot ka jogi. Ka jingtreistom ka jogi noi kai ka long leno e. La da ba ki khna school. Jingtreistom nalade. Kajih kai kabagi noi kai ki ai ki school. Kadai ka kamram ka jumpi bapin plesitom on the middle school banlet shalayeng. Make your school proud. Make your teachers and parents proud. We are expecting that this school will grow from one year to another. Of all the teachers, parents, students, the education department, the local representatives, be the MLA or MDC, and all the church leaders who have worked hard to make this school happen. For 25 years it has run. Nakabansa ke school managing committee kinoy kay baro. Ya ke jing trace tom ke jumpi. Nakaliang jongaro ngapen pau ya ke jing kublay. Kabang ngamwa subanong. Bangi ji kendu nakapor sekapor. Hamtam hagi Snem ke balalet ke balapen pau pastor.